So you went and you cut up a pineapple today.
Yeah, I just went and cut up a pineapple.
And this is just for nothing?
Not for nothing. Just me cutting up a pineapple and filming it.
Well, you're telling me I can have this. I can put it up on our new channel.
Yeah, you can put it up on our new channel.
But eventually you're making a video
I'm making a video on something regarding pineapples.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if anybody wants to see it, but they're hearing our conversation as I'm looking at it.
Well, it's going to be for my drink.
Oh, you're making a video on
my
you don't have to give your secrets out.
No.
But okay, so you're making a video on that. Oh, I see what you're doing. This also gives you the step back to look at the kitchen and see if you want to change something later, or like, I don't know, like if you, or do you have the kitchen the way you like it?
I got the kitchen the way I like it. I like it tidy like that.
No, I mean if there was something else.
Oh, if there was something that I didn't...
Detail.
Oh, detail?
You want to talk about detail. Like you could move the pineapple. No, actually you did move the pineapple to the right over, and you can see Vivian's hummingbird that she gave us. You can, but yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
It looks good. And so then you're going to go through and you're going to re-edit this, is what it is.
Yeah, I'll use parts of this for my video.
See, the thing is, I mean, this is what I'm working on our channel. So I have a lot of footage like you that I just take. I found videos I made on stuff in the garden that I have to get organized and get it up there because I know there are going to be people that want to see it. But there are videos I do like you do just to have, so you can go back and reference it. Like, what did you do? When did you do it? How did you do it? Or maybe you shouldn't do something. Sometimes I go back and look at it. So I have a lot of videos like that. What I don't want to do is, I know that some people do stuff like this, but then they put music to it. Now, I don't want to offend anybody, but I'm not big into music. When I see somebody working and I hear this blasting music, I don't like music. Do you like music?
Sometimes it can be distracting.
Yeah, so I'm not a music person. I'd rather do things outside and hear nature. There are times you have to have music. So technically you could take this video if you wanted to and have us not, like I just turned on the mic. You don't have to have us talking, and all you would do is hear chop, chop, chop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically it. But
and maybe some people would be interested in just having something on the screen and no sound at all. I don't know how people watch things.
Well, that's what I'm thinking, and that's why I mean, I'll talk about this for a minute because I haven't even talked about it at all. But on our channel, a few times I used to put up just the bird garden with just noise from the birds, and there were people who got offended by that because they got notified, and that's not what they want. They want to see me making something. They want a video that's going to really pull them in, and they're going to learn something. They don't want to just see birds. So creating the other channel now that nobody even knows about, Hummingbirds Plus, that's perfect. I mean, like this morning I was sitting out there and I really haven't counted, but there were so many birds that came in 11 minutes that technically I've had people tell me it should be a bird sanctuary. It should be a bird sanctuary. It really should, because it's unbelievable the amount of species that came in. So this could be fun. I mean, our conversation, I have the mic on. You want to put it up with our conversation on this one and see what people say?
Yeah, we may as well. The thing is, we've got a lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers, and everyone has different interests. So not everyone's going to want to see someone chopping up a pineapple, but someone might want to see or listen to what we have to say. So I don't know.
I'm looking at this and I don't mind. I mean, you know what? If there was no sound and just you chopping, it might be something different to put up.
Yeah, maybe someone will find it relaxing. So I don't know.
Is this the same thing when I'm watching Hallmark at night, what you're doing? You're chopping up your pineapple sometimes? This is the same way what you do, like when you make your drink out of.
This is what I do. This is how I chop up my pineapple.
Oh.
And this goes into my drink.
This is the drink you gave me the other night?
Yes.
The one that tastes like ice cream?
Yes.
Oh.
That is one version of my drink. I've got multiple versions. Remember what I drink all day? What I drink all day is one way, and what I make at night is another. It's two different formulas.
So you're going to do both, aren't you?
Yeah, I'll do both
Separately.
separately. So I'll have some footage that I can include in both videos.
Okay, because when you handed that to me, you know I don't like pineapple. Not for any particular reason. It's just even as a kid, used to get the cans of fruit cocktail, and I would sit there and pick out all the pineapple. I didn't like pineapple, but it was so good, and it was like ice cream. I said, "You drink this?" You said, "No, you actually have to use a spoon, and it's not frozen or anything."
No, but the
You'll have
other
to say.
components that I add to it, it's not just pineapple. The other components have been frozen. That's what makes it like ice cream.
Yeah, I know. You told me there's a certain mix you do that creates this chemistry for the food. No, I mean, this is good. Because I know you don't have time to make a video, and you sit down, you get overwhelmed because literally to make a 20-minute video could end up taking you 5 hours. Not you, I mean
yeah.
me. What?
At least, because I'm not doing it. It's not something I'm doing constantly, because I'm trying to edit in between everything else I have to do.
Every video is different. You can take a 5-minute video and put 10 hours into it, or you can take a 5-minute video and have it done in 5 minutes. It just depends on what you're doing. I like this. I know you're going to change it up, but I actually like this. With the corner, I get to see you moving around. It's different. And now you're eating. I did notice, this has nothing to do with any of this. I went into the bottom freezer. I was looking for something, and I saw you're freezing the cores.
Yeah, I'm freezing the course. That's for something else.
That's something else. Okay, I just found them today because I was looking like, oh my gosh, we're out of white meat chicken, and that's what Zoe likes. And it's like, do I have to make an order? Do I have to run to the store? And then I found a bag or two. But then among the bag or two, I found your cores. All right, well, I'll go ahead and launch this just the way it is. We'll see if we get any comments, or if they say, no, we don't like this, don't do this, don't, or this is great and we like to hear you talk. And we do talk a lot. So we do have a conversation. I think we have pretty good conversations.
Yeah, I think so too.
Well, you're my best friend.
Well, you're my best friend.
Oh my goodness. Jeez. It's been well over 30 years. Unbelievable. I was just thinking in a couple years, it's going to be 40 years I've been in this house. That's scary. 40 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I had to think back. It's like, holy mackerel. Anyways, all right. So I think you're done on this video. Nope, you're back.
No,
You're back. Even Zoe, look at this. Zoe's
no,
sitting
I
here
went
all
and
relaxed.
washed my hands is what I did.
Okay.
And then I wanted to show my indoor ones.
Okay, well, I guess you're done. We can go ahead and launch it. We don't have to tell them, don't forget to eat what you grow, do we?
No, we don't.